Okay, so we added the chicken to the pot with the cooked ravioli, and this is our finished product. Eric's gonna do the taste test.
I do it wrong every time. Are we on? Are we live? Welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen. I have two beautiful special guests here today.
Cheers.
Yvette and Tori. This is Eric's girlfriend. This is Danny's girlfriend. We are making blackened chicken ravioli today.
Did you forget what you're making?
Yeah, no. I've already browned and seasoned all the chicken. And I seasoned it with Italian seasonings, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. We have the last little piece of chicken in the pan. And now the girls are going to make the sauce.
All right.
I put your lines down.
So,
Let me turn this up for you. Okay.
first thing we're doing is we're dumping in the onions.
Wait.
Don't get so close. It's putting pressure on me.
Just today, Tori.
Dumping in onions.
Sorry, you're supposed to.
Okay, I was told I'm supposed to stir. I'm gonna stir the onions. And then once these get caramelized, we'll add the mushrooms until they're soft. They have all the good seasoning at the bottom of the pan, so you really want to scrape that up.
You know that, or did you make that?
I think I've heard that somewhere before.
Do you want to tell them everything else that we have here, Yvette? Right here.
Sounds like
Let's
no.
see. I don't know everything that we have here.
Okay.
We got the
Right here.
mushrooms.
Okay, you have to look at the
Okay.
camera.
Oh, we got the mushrooms here, which are ready to almost be poured. We got paprika. Wait, no, that's not
Italian
Italian. It's Italian seasoning. Clearly, I don't cook. Some bone broth. What
Chicken
else?
broth.
Chicken broth,
What's that?
whipped cream, and some Parmesan cheese.
And that's going to make our sauce.
That's going to complete the sauce.
This feels like it's caramelized, right?
Okay.
You guys put
Okay.
the mushrooms in.
Oh shit, we lost one. Lost the mushroom. Don't worry, guys. Save it.
Is now a good time to tell you I don't like mushrooms?
What did she say?
She doesn't like mushroom.
You won't even taste them.
All right.
Now what?
Okay. Next, we're gonna pour in the chicken stock, and then the heavy cream.
This is all happening now.
Right
Well,
there.
right now we have to wait for the mushrooms to get soft.
While she's doing that, while she's softening the mushrooms, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Share, subscribe.
Share, subscribe.
And hit that like button. Next,
We're back. The mushrooms
we're
are...
going to pour the chicken stock.
She missed.
Sorry. Wait, I can't say that. I can't. And now we're gonna add the heavy cream.
All of it.
Yeah.
Whoops.
What's gonna happen now?
It's
Is it, like,
supposed to then thicken when we add the Italian dressing and Italian herbs and red pepper flakes, and then we're gonna add Parmesan cheese.
There's no one else in there, isn't she? Yeah. I think we might need more of that. We need to stick you a little bit more because that little cup wasn't big enough.
This looks good.
It smells
Do
good.
we need to like lower the heat or
Yeah,
anything?
yeah. I would lower it and then we'll bring it to a boil first, and then we'll lower it and it will
Okay.
thicken.
Now what are you doing?
Adding more Parmesan cheese because it wasn't enough apparently.
How do you know?
It's what Debbie told me to do. That's why she has the cooking show.
There you go. You'll see it on the show.
Okay, I guess so. Talking shit about
Oh
me?
my god, all the seasoning's on the
No.
spatula. How do I get it off?
Spatula.
Or wooden spoon. What do I do? Thank you, Mama Debz.
What do I do?
She wants to
Should we
make
turn
sure
it
we know how to
higher?
cook for her sons.
Yes.
So why neither of you are mirrored yet? Jeez.
It's
All right, we're gonna let it
boil.
come to a boil, and then we're gonna let it simmer so it can thicken.
And once that's done, we're going to add a whole bag of ravioli and let those cook. And then you'll see the finished product. We'll be right back. Did you see what I did?
No.
I flipped him off. He's such an asshole. Come and see the sauce. Look at that.
Saucy, saucy,
Now
saucy.
Yvette's going to pour in the raviolis.
Ravioli.
Ooh, sorry.
And those are going to
Sorry,
cook
do it
in the
slow.
sauce.
I feel like I should-
And then we're going to incorporate everything for serving. We'll be right back. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
All right,
Right.
so we added the chicken to the pot with the cooked ravioli, and this is our finished product. Eric's gonna do the taste test.
This is my f***ing show now. .8. No, I'm kidding. It's delicious. You know, I didn't think I was a mushroom fan. I don't know how you two feel about this. Yeah, I'm actually really big
I
on
don't really
mushrooms.
like mushrooms. Do y'all like this?
Yeah, here, try one.
Take a bite.
There's one right here.
One right here.
There's one literally right here. I don't know that one.
That mushroom?
Mushroom.
Mushroom? What do you think
They're
about it?
probably pretty good.
Yeah, they are good.
It's like and I said at the beginning of the show that I didn't like mushrooms,
It's called a
but I like
callback.
it in this.
It's called a callback.
That's really good.
Is that the end of this episode?
What?
Oh,
Is
we
that all
forgot
there
to say that we added basil on top.
Yeah. And our garlic cake bread came out of the oven. Like, it's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Oh
Garlic
yeah,
bread.
should we show the garlic bread? Really tell a good garlic bread. Put the finger through it.
Yeah.
You guys got anything else?
We're gonna make dessert next.
All right. Make sure to like,
But-
comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time when these ladies are going to cook up some dessert.
Oh yeah.